Check this shit out, your Facebook. Only fuck with real ass niggas. Look at my background. Ain't went to sleep all day. Must take a nap now. Wrestling with the real, but ready to get that smackdown. All I need is pen and some paper to put that rap down. Mama had me glad that I'm here. A blessing from the God. Words that just come on my mouth. A message in disguise. Look me in my eyes and tell me what do you see, nigga. Stress cause the odds against me cause I'm a G, nigga. Continue to proceed and etc. Some me, listen, open up your ears and listen before I speak to you. Dirty water poured in my cup. How can I eat from you? Refuse to hang with you. My nose smelling deceit from you. Don't play with me like you, boy. I'm a street nigga. Hunting out this bitch, fuck blood, murder the beast for me. God is by my side, surprised they clean my feet for me. She used to calling shots, controlling all of you weak niggas. Cut their head off for the shark because it's hot black. Stick his teeth up in the jaw and say I bought that. Always at the end of the day, they know I fought back. Still fucking fighting. Excuse me for cursing. Oh yeah.